What the heck was that?
Motorcycle.
That's so scary.
That's scary.
Fire.
Hi.
Oh my gosh. I can't even believe that. I think 3,500.
I think 4,000 pesos. So let's check the toolbox. Wow. What is that? There's a lot of eggs. Wow. That's hot water, guys. It won't hurt the motorcycle, Ton?
Yeah. It hurt.
Oh my goodness. Allah. Why that happened, Ton?
Because waste soda.
Wait.
That's why.
Who put soda there?
Me.
Oh my goodness.
Soda.
There's a lot of rust, guys, our motorcycle now because we're not using it. And I hope that we can build now our garage. Ton, ikaw lang matunton. Get materials for the garage. So, Christian just be the one to buy for garage, guys. Because James and I always doing vlog, going somewhere, adventure. There's a lot of water, guys. Look at what Christian did.
So guys, last time we measured it out, it was like 1/3 of one of these to 1.5 liters. So that's what we're gonna do. Ton's been running it very rich, so it's broken. It's been run very rich. It's a little bit too over oiled.
So how you measure it, James?
Just by eye.
Just by eye. Tutti.
Nah,
Wow, look at that.
right up to the neck was right.
That's enough now.
Yeah.
This morning, guys, James will cut some tree at the back because we will use it for our dirty kitchen. Wow. That looks sting, James.
Huh?
Looks sting.
No, not sting.
How much left, James? Half?
A lot.
A lot pa. Another 1 liter pa, no? James!
What?
It's different. This is to here. Coca-Cola.
It's the same cap.
Oh!
The same cap. Step back.
Yep. That chainsaw is cute, hey? That's only 2,000 pesos.
Yeah, it runs good. It would have been nice if it wasn't crushed
Yeah.
in delivery, but even then, it still works.
Yep. Kuya Christian already done, guys.
Yeah, it looks good. He did a good job.
Installing the
Really
water
good job.
pressure. And look at how Kuya Christian weld, guys, oh.
Yeah.
Look at this. Kuya Christian is really good in welding, guys, because he had a training before in TESDA. Why there's a hole here? Kuya Christian removed the post here. Wow. Our corn is doing good here, guys. There. Wow, there's a big log here, but guys, oh. We have a lot of wood for our dirty kitchen. So that later, guys, we will bring it inside. Hello, James. What happened? Hala. It broke?
Yeah, Yeah, well, it was started out as broke. It's okay.
Okay. What do you think?
It's good.
Can I try now?
Huh? Done? You want to turn? You scared everybody all over the world last time you had a turn.
Nah. I got already a lot of trees, James. I am mountain filipina. Kuya Christian, give James a water.
Todd, is the length of the logs correct? The length of the logs?
Wala ko nung kabaon ka.
Yes, that is only firewood, James. Firewood. Oh, another one, James.
No, I'm good. That's good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Guys.
So we are here again, guys, to our favorite motor wash shop. And look at how dirty our motorcycle from
So much mud from Eon.
from adventure yesterday. Look at that, guys. Look at this. Who will wash, you or me?
I'll do it.
You do it?
Make sure the cylinder doesn't get too.
Oh my god. Here we are again for the cylinder.
Very important. An engine
That's
can't run
weird.
without a cylinder, Sharon.
Huh?
An engine can't run without a cylinder.
It won't hurt. Yesterday the water there in the river is very cold. That's okay, I think. Look at how much there's. So it's good also to wait because to cool down the cylinder.
Yep.
Them first. There's always a lot of people here washing their motorcycle because Filipino always wash motorcycle,
Very
James.
busy road. Good place for business.
Yeah. So we will buy Sting. Sting, James, or Coke? What do you want while we are waiting?
What's that?
While we are waiting.
What kind of snack?
Yeah, Sting. Baka Sting, no. How many Sting? Okay lang, no? Okay lang.
Not Sting.
Mountain Dew only, James.
What?
Mountain Dew.
Okay. Mountain Dew, Cloud9, and a Roadhouse barbecue.
Sting ba?
James, you want two? Or only one? Mountain Dew only? Mountain Dew lang kuno ano mo.
How much was all that?
150.
150?
Yeah.
Wow.
I
Expensive.
I know. It's, wait lang. 10, 20, 30, 45. 55. So we are waiting earlier, guys, like about 10 minutes. So our cylinder is not very hot now. James can wash it already. You will be the one to put 5 pesos there.
5 pesos.
You should hold first the hose before you put 5 pesos. There's a checkpoint, guys. Oh, they are stopping the truck, the closed truck.
Oh my. We have our license plate on now, so we're good.
Yeah, look at that.
Alright. Karen, how do I know which hose?
You should drink this first.
How do I know which hose?
This is number 2. This is number 1. So
Okay.
we will use this number 2. You should hold it first, and then the number 2 is here. This one. This is shampoo.
Go ahead. I got it.
So let's put 5 pesos. Wow, look at the mud, guys. Oh,
Mud.
that's why we got a lot of rust to our motorcycle.
Mud.
Yeah, James always putting WD-40, and of course, guys, we need to wash also. Wow, I think James like this area also because every time we go to Calibo, guys, James always said, Karen, let's go in this motor wash. Oh, James like now the pressure wash, guys. Wow, that is so powerful. Oh, there's
You're gonna have to really oil this thing every day.
so there's a rag here that we can use.
Go ahead and put the quarter in for the soap.
This James first. Wala, what happened? Maybe there's no soap
Go
left.
tell the dude that owns it. He's here.
Oh my gosh.
Also,
Yeah, I told him already. Yeah, he will put soap.
yeah, and it's pink water. For good, Karen.
Yeah, I will use rag.
Okay.
I will use rag.
Oh, don't get the key. The electronics here. Don't get the electronics. Am I what? Am I what? What did she say?
Vlog, I am.
Yes, yes. Vlog.
Yeah, vlog. The kids there.
James and Karen Adventures. I'm James, she's Karen.
Yeah.
James and Karen Adventures on YouTube.
Yeah.
We make riveting videos about watching the motorcycle.
I like the foam.
One of them sure got rusty quick. As far as I know, we haven't been through any salt water with this bike. I don't know why it's getting rusty so
Or maybe
quickly.
the dog pee.
The dog pee, you're right, that's what it is. Should have thought of that one, Karen. You're right.
Sometimes the dog goes to bike and then
Yep, yep, that's it, 100%. Not yet, next time. Next time. They want stickers, guys. Some vloggers are handing out stickers.
yeah.
We'll have to get some.
Yeah. They're asking, do you have stickers? I said, not yet. Not yet, babe.
But this bike performed yesterday up in Libacao perfectly. For Karen and I, it more than did the job. We were in the mountains, in the rivers, the water crossings. We did everything yesterday. Bike did great. I didn't do too great. I stalled it a couple times and whatnot, but not a big deal. It's all good. It was fun. It was a lot of fun. The bike is pretty light, and it has more than enough power.
They are the one who teach me how to wash.
They wound all the hoses up, stowed everything. I guess, Karen, you didn't do the job right.
Yeah.
Good?
Good.
All right.
There's a spider, James.
Oh! Ah! What the heck was
The
that?
motorcycle.
Oh, she got it. Hey, get out!
Hi.
Oh my gosh! Alright guys,
So
we have
here in pen shop, guys. We will get James a polo for christening of my nephew because he will be the godfather. So we'll buy him a good kind of polo. Let's go.
like that.
Yeah, I think this one is okay.
I'll let you be the judge. I've never been to a Filipino christening before. That
This
looks
one is nice. 799.
okay.
It's good. Yeah, good.
You want it?
I think that is fitted to James, guys. Let's get it. Good.
Yeah,
I pick good.
yeah. It's good.
What do you want, babe?
Yeah, that one.
Shawarma? Do you like? So we are here, guys, in Laylam. So James and I will get Laylam shawarma and Laylam wrap. Isang shawarma, sir. Isang wrap na wala nang itlog. Spicy, James? You want spicy? Okay lang, bukod spicy. Spicy man. Oh. All beef, right? All beef. Wow, their decoration is nice. They have decorations here already. James like the Greenwich pizza, but what did you said?
Greenwich pizza I could have had.
No, it's not allowed. You're Filipino now. You're not allowed to
Lots
eat
of
pizza.
Filipinos eating Greenwich pizza.
Spicy ang wrap lang, sir. Ang sa isa, hindi. Apa. Isang water lang, sir. Isang water. James, can you get it? Thank you. James, like Queen Shop.
I do.
Yeah.
Really?
Wow. Look at that, guys. Good? Wow. Their beef here, laylam, is so tasty. That's my favorite.
Alright guys, this is Karen's favorite food. Laylam.
The wrap, very tasty. The beef and the vegetable.
Yeah, their beef is pretty good.
Yep.
Something different, but it's good.
10 of 10. Wow. Very traffic, guys. We'll find it. I'll just... Wow, our XR looks clean. Looks new. Looks new.
It is new.
Because James is good in washing. So we're finding here, guys, a wiring, but they don't have. It should be here.
Maybe they moved it. Yeah, I just saw it in the front of the store. It's over here.
Okay.
Why they put it over there? You guys moved the wire over here.
This one. Makaraya na, sir, o mga 10 meters. Pareho man ang sandala, sir, no? Bahay.
Pareho, pero magkaibang brand. 25 raya. 23.
Sige na yun.
Ito na lang.
10 meters. Ada, ma'am, ho?
Same, ma'am.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
You want to get it? How much?
800, sir.
Yeah, they even want more because it's better.
Yeah.
That's the only one out of all of them that we had. that
We
works.
have white. Okay. White man daw yun.
You want to buy it?
Yeah, okay lang.
Yeah, all right, let's get it.
Puro white na to.
Sige lang, white.
Is that, now is it
Thank you.
25?
Yes,
The wirings, the 10 meter, guys. I already paid this, James.
Okay, good. You want to get this then so we never run out of power?
Yeah,
Okay.
the same. Yeah, exact, James.
Did you want to get a charging cord?
That's the exact. Yeah, that's the exact thing. You can get it. You can get it.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it keeps working. Yeah, we'll buy that one.
Matibay, abe do yun, ma'am.
patay lang man. Ano lang, patay lang ako.
James, cell phone. So that you can test. iPhone.
Lightning. iPhone now is Type-C, but mine is still a 14, so it's Lightning. It's charging.
Charging.
Okay. Just can you plug it in and make sure it takes a charge too?
Yeah, they check it first, James.
Huh?
They are checking that first before they give you. So we are happy, guys, that we got the power bank because we can charge that too.
We can charge the PQ battery on the mini, I should say.
It's 20,000 mAh. James, there's a
Good for 2 or 3 hours. We should do a dry run and just try that one day. Try to charge the PQ
That-
battery.
that-
See how far it goes.
that power bank lasts more than a year already to us.
It's very durable. Way more than a year.
Yeah. James need to turn around. A lot of people here today, guys. Very traffic always. So we got here a Heinz ketchup, guys. We'll go to the baking section.
We're baking.
But we don't know what to bake, guys. It depends what I can see there. But for sure, James love brownies.
The cherries are so expensive.
How much?
I think they're from Michigan, but they're canned in Chicago. So I'm imagining the product must be from Michigan, maybe.
I think I'll get pancakes. Ara, why I cannot get it? Yeah.
Don't explode the pancake mix. This is the one that I want. How many of those do you want? Just one? You make chocolate
Get
chip
two.
cookies? Two?
Yeah.
Are you gonna try some of these again? Or you like these better?
That's better.
This one's been open.
Who opened that?
Probably some kid.
There's a champurrado chocolate fries. They don't have mozzarella now, right? It's always gone. Here. Later, James. Later, we will estimate how much. Who win? You or me?
I'm
We
gonna
will
get my
estimate.
calculator out right now.
We will estimate, guys, if
Oh.
who wins. James or me? I know James don't know how to estimate, guys. I'm bored better.
Sure?
Yeah, the two here.
So each one is good for a pizza, right?
No, I think you're always eating it.
Yeah. Warehouse?
Tuyo di kapis.
Warehouse.
Yeah. It's 157. But I don't know if James will like that.
Oh,
Pusit. Squid. Native pusit.
nice. Yeah.
Hala. This is the real.
You like that?
I think this is for hair too. I like it. Fresh and exactly from food supplement. Food supplement, Peter Paul. I'll get this. This is what I like for conditioner. Yeah. Wait, this look like have a lot of fat. Oh.
You sure you want to try the sesame oil?
For my hair? Seriously? Peter Paul. Yeah. I'll get this, guys, for my hair. This is what I need, be, for my hair. This is my conditioner.
Okay.
So, let's buy brandy. 350, be. How many kilos do you want?
How many do you want to make in the patties? 2?
Isang kilo amon, ma'am, nga ground beef. Let's see here, be. Shanghai. That's nice.
Okay, look at the bandsaw.
Banso?
Yes. That's how you cut them proper. Make the cuts proper.
You might cut your finger.
Yeah, I used to do that all day long.
That's very sharp. You wanna try it, Joe?
Used to do that all day long.
Okay, that's good. I saw it in YouTube. That's what they are using, cutting even bones for a steak, James. What country this?
Do you know what country it's from? The beef? The baka. What country?
US, Brazil. Brazil.
Oh, really?
Thank you, ma'am. Brazil beef.
Brazil.
You wanna try the beef of Brazil?
I'm tempted to try a T-bone. I never tried a Brazilian T-bone before.
Yeah, you can get it.
Or a Brazilian. It's better to have a porterhouse.
You want?
Yeah, go ahead, get one.
A T-bone?
Porterhouse.
Porterhouse? Okay.
What do you want to ribeye?
Sirloin tips.
Get 2 of those ribeyes.
2 ribeyes.
Yeah.
Okay. What, you will be the one to cook there?
Yeah.
Okay. What dish?
Huh?
What dish?
Fried on the grill.
Okay. Daiwa lang a ribeye, ma.
2 of those ribeye cuts. You know, Brazil, a long way from here. On the other side of the planet. If you dug a hole straight through, you'd come out in Brazil. From here?
Let's find out the piece. Thank you.
How much did that
It's
weigh?
306.
306 for the whole thing? Oh, that's not too much.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
But it's not American corn fat beef, but I think it'll be good anyway. Thank you.
you.
I think 3,500.
I think
It's already at 1,000.
4,000 pesos.
1,300. 1,500.
You do it.
Me do it.
Yeah. I think 4.
Almost 1,800. Did you bring enough money for all that?
Yeah.
1,009?
I think you win.
Yeah. I think 3,500?
Oh, not yet the beef. 2,580.
2,581. Wow.
We
cheap.
lost both.
Okay, very cheap.
Look at the students there. A lot of students from NBC. That is the school of Brother Edeniel.
All criminal justice?
There's a lot of courses also they offer there. Business art, criminology, home technology, a lot administration, business art. That's really cool. What do you think?
It's a very vibrant town.
But the land here, guys, very expensive, like 17,000 per square meter. Very expensive.
Population is
The population is a lot.
it's very young. So the land is only going to gain value in the future.
Do you want unleaded?
91.
Unleaded?
They're both unleaded.
Regular lang nung ang green. Full tank. $270 green.
All right, what you doing there, Nene?
I'm removing weeds, James.
What are you going to do when we've got 10 hectares like this?
I don't know.
You going to go out there all day and remove the weeds?
Yeah. I think.
You think?
Yeah, because when there's a weeds, it's ugly.
You want me to plant the end rows here?
Huh?
Clean all the grass out of the end rows and I'll plant them. And then I decided to square it off, guys. So she dug up the ends so they'd be all even.
After we do vlog like adventure or shopping, I go here so that I can remove the weeds because they
Crabgrass.
they are getting the nutrients.
I think it's grown 5 centimeters a day or more. Yeah, we gotta plant some more. Gotta plant at least one block every week so that we always have corn, fresh corn.